Imagine a storm so vast it blankets the country, stretching over 1,800 miles in just 72 hours. This is not a scene from a disaster movie, this is the reality we are facing. Born from the Four Corners region, this powerful storm is set to march its way towards the southern plains, leaving in its wake a trail of severe weather conditions. We're talking about blizzard conditions in Nebraska and the Texas Panhandle, folks. But it doesn't stop there. The storm's reach extends to the Gulf Coast and southeast, putting nearly 70 million people at risk for severe weather. Wind gusts of 40 to 60 miles per hour are expected, which could potentially cause power outages. Coastal areas will experience strong winds, high surf, and beach erosion. This storm is not just a winter spectacle, it's a severe weather event that poses real risk to millions of Americans. As the storm barrels across the country, its impacts are far-reaching and significant. Imagine a blanket of snow, heavy and thick, descending upon several states. This is not just a dusting, but a notable snowfall that transforms landscapes and disrupts day-to-day life. But the storm's fury doesn't stop with snow. The southeast and northeast are under threat of a different kind. Flooding, torrential rain, relentless and unforgiving, threatens to inundate these regions, turning streets into rivers and homes into islands. Yet it's not just the snow and rain causing havoc. The storm's tempestuous winds, gusting between 40 and 60 miles per hour, are a force to be reckoned with. These winds aren't just a nuisance, they're a potential menace capable of causing widespread power outages and plunging communities into darkness. But the storm's impacts aren't confined to the land. Even our coastal areas aren't safe from its wrath. These regions are being assaulted by strong winds, high surf, and beach erosion. It's a trifecta of threats that pose significant challenges and risk to those living in these areas. With winter storm alerts in effect from Arizona to Michigan and blizzard warnings in several other states, the nation braces for the storm's wrath. As we weather this storm together, it's a stark reminder of the power and unpredictability of nature. But it's also a testament to our resilience and our ability to rise to the challenges that come our way. In the face of this storm, preparation and safety measures are of utmost importance. It's crucial to brace for the harsh weather conditions that are expected to sweep across the eastern and central parts of the United States. Staying indoors, away from the lashing winds, torrential rain, and heavy snowfall is advised. As we've learned from past experiences, power outages can be a significant challenge during such severe weather conditions. It's recommended to have an emergency kit at hand, complete with flashlights, batteries, and a portable charger for your mobile devices. Keeping a stockpile of non-perishable food items and bottled water is also a wise move. Crucially, it's vital to heed the advice of local authorities and weather services. They have the most accurate and up-to-date information about the storm's path and the potential risks it poses. Remember, it's not just about your safety, but also about the safety of emergency service personnel who might have to venture out in dangerous conditions for rescue operations. Now, looking ahead, this storm is expected to cover over 1,800 miles in 72 hours, impacting numerous states along the way. And while we hope for a respite after this storm, we must prepare for the possibility of another storm following a similar path. Weather patterns are becoming more unpredictable and intense, likely due to climate change. We must adapt and prepare for these new challenges. Investing in more resilient infrastructure, developing innovative solutions like localized microgrids, and incorporating climate change projections in our planning are some of the ways we can face this challenge head-on. As we weather this storm together, let us remember the importance of preparation, vigilance, and community. Stay safe, America.